This is my worst holiday. My parents are busy working, all my friends are out of town enjoying their holiday, and I'm stuck here with nothing to do. My laptop's not working, and I can't play my online games. I'm just bored. Oh, bored.
How dare you wake me up from my sleep? Be quick. Tell me your wish, so that I can continue with my sleep.
Wish? A wish? Is this a dream? A dream of a story that I'm reading?
So, you wish to have a story? A story. A good story for you.
A true story of a poor boy who lived in a slum and how he rose to become the youngest millionaire in Nepal. Wow!